Welcome, in front of me I have COROS Pace Pro and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. Unpairing is useful if you want to connect your watch to a different device or maybe different account, or maybe you want to sell your watch to somebody or give it to somebody else. And that's when you probably would want to unpair it from your phone. And to do that, open the COROS application, tap on Profile, select your Pace Pro, scroll down and tap on Remove. And here tap on Remove and wait until it's done. Basically, the watch will disappear from the app and it will start resetting itself to the default settings. After a while, you can try to turn it on, and when you turn it on, it will boot up and basically you will see the list of languages, which means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.